We have a 4-minute hourglass and a 7-minute hourglass, and we need to measure exactly 9 minutes. Pause the video and try to solve it. And if you want a harder version, how do we get 15 minutes using just a 7-minute hourglass and an 11-minute hourglass? Let's break them down. To start, at 0 minutes, you rotate and start the count on both the 4-minute and the 7-minute hourglasses. At 4 minutes, the 4-minute hourglass completes. The exact second it runs out, you rotate and restart it right back over. 7-minute hourglass still has 3 minutes left. At 7 minutes, the 7-minute hourglass completes. Right away, you rotate and restart it. At this exact same moment, your 4-minute hourglass has been running for 3 minutes. Now things get interesting. At 8 minutes, the 4-minute hourglass finishes for the second time. Meanwhile, your 7-minute hourglass has been running for just 1 minute. At this exact moment, you rotate the 7-minute hourglass once again to count an additional minute. And at 9 minutes, that 7-minute hourglass completes. And there you go, exactly 9 minutes altogether. Now, let's level up. We have a 7-minute hourglass, an 11-minute hourglass, and we need to measure exactly 15 minutes, maybe to boil an egg. Start both the 7 and the 11-minute hourglasses at the exact same time. At 7 minutes, the 7-minute glass runs out. Immediately flip it right back over. Meanwhile, your 11-minute glass still has 4 minutes left. 4 minutes later, at the 11-minute mark, the 11-minute hourglass empties. At that exact second, your flipped 7-minute hourglass has been running for 4 minutes. Flip that 7-minute hourglass over again. It already has 4 minutes of sand sitting at the bottom. When you flip it, those 4 minutes will run out, perfectly timing your final stretch to reach 15 minutes. Once you stop thinking about them like normal timers and start tracking the leftover sand, it clicks. Let me know which one made your brain hurt more. If you enjoyed this coffee break, you can find more treasures in the attic by subscribing. Until next time. Take care of the logic and the beauty will follow. Enjoy the rest of your day.